Welcome to Stu Kerner Law. I'm attorney Stu Kerner, and today we're going to be discussing what to do at the scene of an accident. If you're in a car accident, it's important to check and make sure that everyone is okay. If you don't need emergency services, call 911 and request that a police officer come to the scene of an accident. Police reports are very important in dealing with obtaining property damage and personal injury claims. A police report is going to contain a lot of important information. It's going to have the name and addresses of the drivers of the vehicles, of the owners of the vehicle. It's also going to have insurance information and their policy number. Most importantly, it's going to have the opinions of both drivers as to how the accident happened. Sometimes the police officer himself offers his opinion. If you're able to, get out of the vehicle and take as many photos as you can. Take a photo of the license plate of each vehicle, of the property damage to each vehicle, of the positioning of the vehicles at the scene of the accident. If you can, obtain witness information. If a witness comes forward, ask for their name, their address, and their phone number. At some point, an investigator from a law firm could be sent out to obtain their third-party independent statement. All these things taken together can help negotiate a settlement for property damage or for personal injury. Even if you were unable to get any of this information, don't worry. Without 20 years of experience, we will get the information you need and the settlement you deserve. Thank you.